This is a very new watch channel and my previous video about Citizen Tsuyosa looks like getting a lot of interest from you guys. So I ended up calling my dealer for more colors, and in this video I'm gonna show you 8 colors side by side. By the end of this video I think you'll be more confident about which color to choose from, or maybe it will be much more difficult. And now first, let's see them one by one. So this is one of the new colors. I'd call this turquoise color because this is not the more popular ice blue or the so-called Tiffany one. I personally like this one more than the Tiffany color, that's why you are seeing it on my wrist during this video as well. The darker colors and the degraded look on the dial are adding a nice character to the watch in my honest opinion, and the shade of the blue is just amazing. The black one is a must for any collection. I believe this may well be used as a dress watch too. Black always looks elegant and this is no different to my eyes. Since I had many black dial watches already, I never considered this one for myself. However, along with this comfy president type bracelet, I think it goes surprisingly well. Here comes the most hyped yellow color. This is an orangish yellow and reminds everyone about the Rolex Oyster Perpetual in yellow. I think this is a playful color, and if you are looking for an attention grabber timepiece, this is the one. This is the navy one from the first introduced color options. It has a nicely done sunburst dial, and thinking about the other flashy colors, this goes well for the guys who don't like to grab that much attention. Here comes the famous ice blue one, or as they want to call it, Tiffany blue. This is the lightest color on the collection, and honestly it looks like a much more expensive timepiece on your wrist. I know this is the favorite of many guys, but it is also somehow difficult to find nowadays. I will try to add links to the stores down below for your reference. That green is my second favorite. In my review video, I said that the shade of the green is the best one I've ever seen for so long, and I'm still thinking like this. Looks gorgeous when direct light hits the dial and still looks like a killer in the shadows. The rose gold looking case and the ruby color dial is one of the new options. Even though that super bling look is not my type, I somehow like the yellowish lume on the indices on top of that gorgeous burgundy dial. And that's one of the latest blue options from the collection. Again, we see the vintage looking lume applied, and the graded dial look great in my opinion. This dial has also a textured surface, which is so far the only one having that within this Tsuyosa collection. Now that we have seen all the 8 colors one by one, I would like to put them on the screen side by side so you can choose your favorite. But before, hi and welcome to the Watch Loop channel. This is a brand new channel all about watch and created by a watch geek like yourself. If you consider subscribing to the channel, that will be enough to keep me motivated for more videos like this. Anyway, enough chit chat, let's move on to the side by side comparisons. Here we see the all 4 different shades of blue and navy options. And here are the other 4 colors side by side. Finally, the most popular 4 colors side by side. Yes, as I said in the very beginning, it's super hard to choose only one color for yourself. Citizen designers did great with the colors in my opinion. I really can't choose one, but let's say if I'd pick 3, they would probably be the yellow, green and the turquoise one. What will be your top 3 picks? Please write down below so we can have a mini poll down there. I know it's really difficult to find some colors available on sale. I will surely add some links down below for the watch and I will try to keep the links fresh as much as possible. As you may already know, I prepared a review video of this watch months ago. I'd very much advise you to click right here and watch the full review too. And if you wish to subscribe to the channel, you can do so by clicking here. Cheers guys, and I'll see you very soon.